Welcome to BikeZone Pro, your trusted source for the latest automobile updates. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Mahindra Bolero, a legendary SUV that's getting a fresh upgrade with modern features, improved safety, and better performance. Let's take a closer look. Rugged yet modern design. The 2025 Bolero maintains its bold and muscular stance but now comes with a refreshed front grille, LED headlamps, and redesigned bumpers. While keeping its signature tough look, Mahindra has enhanced the aerodynamics, making it more stylish yet just as durable for rough terrains. More comfortable and tech-loaded interior. Inside, the Bolero gets a modernized dashboard with a digital instrument cluster, a touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and premium upholstery. The cabin remains spacious, offering ample legroom and better ergonomics for long journeys. Reliable and fuel-efficient engine. Under the hood, Mahindra is expected to retain the 1.5L M-Hawk diesel engine, delivering robust performance and better fuel efficiency. There's also speculation about a petrol variant or mild hybrid option to meet modern emission norms. The improved suspension and smoother gearbox ensure a better driving experience, whether on highways or rural roads. Enhanced safety and features. The 2025 Bolero now includes dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a high-strength body structure for added protection. With these upgrades, Mahindra is ensuring that the Bolero meets modern safety standards while maintaining its ruggedness. Expected price and launch. Mahindra is expected to launch the new Bolero by late 2025, with a starting price of around 10 to 12 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom. Given its reliability, affordability, and rugged performance, it remains a top choice for Indian buyers. Final thoughts. The 2025 Mahindra Bolero blends toughness with technology, making it a perfect SUV for both urban and rural use. With its modern upgrades, improved safety, and trusted durability, it's set to remain a favorite in India's SUV market. Would you pick the new Bolero for your next ride? Share your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned to BikeZone Pro for more exciting updates on upcoming vehicles.